saved my life.
X-ray 201, director 10-4, 814.
Good morning. All right. Let me run this tag real quick.
As a second officer arrived on scene, they determined the North Carolina license plate displayed on the vehicle was stolen.
Let's see what we got back on a response here. Wait, what was that? Stolen.
The officers requested a tow truck and continued their investigation. In the rear cargo section of the van, a Virginia license plate was discovered.
Yeah, sure enough, that is a different van. There's a sandwich up there, like you said, a gas tank. They've got blackout curtains in the back.
Fairfax County Police.
County Police.
Anyone in there, make yourself known.
Fairfax County Police.
P94. Go ahead.
Fairfax County. Pull back up.
P94, can you hold me out on a crossing
Sure.
at Hanover Ave and Floyd Ave, please? 10-4.
You're in there, make yourself known.
I don't know if there's anyone in there.
Yeah, but look, you got a big TV in there. Bunch of gas not being stored.
And there's Virginia tags in here.
That's the Virginia tag that comes back to the VIN on the car.
I feel like this car might have been stolen. Just not reported stolen.
Phone number.
Hey! Dude! Not, no!
Get my granddaughters on this.
Don't move!
Bravo, you got a son. 48 mile location. 10-4 cameras restricted. Bravo, 611 Bravo, what's your Bravo, what's going on?
Do not move!
10-4 cameras restricted. Shots fired. 6 Bravo, you direct.
Don't pick up the gun or you're gonna get it again!
6 Bravo, what's
Don't pick up that gun or you're gonna get it again!
Don't move!
Do not touch the gun or you're gonna get it again!
Do not move!
Do you understand? Do not move!
Don't move!
Do not move! I understand. All right, let's get him away from the gun.
11 Bravo, please confirm. You have one subject shot.
One subject shot, one subject down. Start EMS.
10-4, starting fire.
Let's get it.